Personal Scope X. Restore your vision in 5 minutes. Innovative eye exercise wearable, IZoN. IZoN. IZoN eye exercise are not only for massaging and simple eyeball movement function but also enable us to do all kinds of exercise that are good for the eyes but difficult to do by themselves, from brightness adjustment, alternate looking into far and near distances to focus enhancement. First, start with the vibration. Close your eyes for the relaxation. Second, when the vibration ends, open your eyes and start the eye movement. When the shutter opens, see the front comfortably. When the shutter closes, move your eyes along the red light. Lastly, when it vibrates again, close your eyes and relax. A sound will indicate when a cycle ends. A single cycle of IZoN's eye exerciser takes 5 minutes, and it's recommended to be used more than 3 times a day. Oxylife. Get back your optimistic life.